Rockford Chimney Supply presents the product overview of the chimney inspection camera. First, start by removing the end cap and turning on the camera by moving the switch to the left position. There will be a light that will indicate the camera is on. Put the end cap back on and thread on the starter adjustment cable. This will allow you to put the camera in the best possible position. With the starter rod, attach the camera to the first section of rod. Start by downloading the Ferret WiFi app on your mobile device. The camera has a built-in Wi-Fi connection, so no network is needed. Once you're in the app, you can either take still frame pictures or videos. Tap the gallery icon and choose pictures to view your still frame shots. Using the back button to maneuver through the app, you can now select the video icon and take a video. Press the same icon to stop your video. By going to the gallery and selecting videos, you can view all the videos you have taken. The light on the camera has 3 levels of light. By tapping the light icon, you can change the brightness of the camera. Now that we've gone through the app, let's do a camera inspection. With this camera, you're able to view cracks in the chimney, check out the mortar joints of the flues, and get an overall feel of the condition of your chimney. A level 2 inspection is always important to determine if your clay chimney flue liner is safe or not. As you can see, when you move the camera fast, the picture becomes poor. Steady movements will give you a good idea of what the inside of your chimney looks like. As you can see, this chimney flue has a few hairline cracks, and the mortar joints are not in the best condition. Thank you for watching the Rockford Chimney Supply video. Feel free to contact any one of our certified technicians if you have any questions.